Good morning guys, welcome to another show, and it's the 4K show, and look who's back.
Hello YouTube!
We've just arrived.
The original gang.
Oh look, hi Adam.
Oh my god, is that Gap Official?
Is that Gap Official?
Wait a minute.
Is that Incan Engines?
Sorry, so we're in the VIP bit with all the YouTubers, okay? Some of us had to park up the stairs, out the way.
No, you're not a man. You don't know. ST Sammy.
Anyway guys, yeah, we're at the 4K show. There's quite a few of us here today. So yeah, we're basically going to be looking around, local show in Newmarket. So yeah, Adam's over there somewhere. Basically just another car show, so let's have a great day. And let's start by looking at obviously Shane's car, Incan Engines. Go follow him. There we go, Incan Engines, R8, absolutely mad. APR stage 2 tuned, absolutely amazing. We've got Brad's M20 240i as well. Adam's over there somewhere as well in his car. But yeah, it's gonna be a good day. So guys, a girl called Jem from Origins, who owns Origins, has literally just got rid of her Mini Cooper. I think it's a JCW she did have. She's now got this. Look at that. Liberty Walk body kit, absolutely amazing. What do you think? That's insane, isn't it? It's amazing. It looks good. Looks really, really, really good. So she's just got rid of her old, she had a JCW?
Yeah, I think so.
Just got rid of it for this Liberty Walk body kit, absolutely stunning car. Really, 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 really nice. But yeah, we're on the VIP stand today actually, so we're not on a stand, we're on the VIP stand. So you're not with an actual stand, but yeah, VIP stand are all these cars that we're with here. So there's a lot of cars. Hopefully we'll get talking to some owners as well. Gem's disappeared. There's supercars, there's tuner cars, there's every single thing you can imagine, but this is amazing. As always guys, I love them, but this is something special. Look at this. Look at this. Go follow stealth.x. Right, I don't know if that's an O. Stealth.xo. Yeah.
Look
This
at
is
the
amazing. Oh, look at that. Is that your racing light?
F1 brake light, yeah,
F1 brake light. This is amazing. So nice. Such a perfect car. Perfect 370 for me. You couldn't make it any better.
The real GT.
Absolutely stunning. Tell me what you think of this. I absolutely love it.
Gorgeous. Oh, this car. I've got fans everywhere. Right, if you want different angles.
Do you mean you've got only fans everywhere?
If you want different angles on the same show,
Yeah, just
go follow.
Yeah.
Even Dom. Yeah. If you want better quality,
right, if you want
follow Dom.
better quality, come to me. If you want it from a higher perspective, go to Adam.
Oh wow.
Anyway,
I'm sorry. I'm bypassing Aston. We love you, but Jesus Christ. If ever I was going to be out orange, oh wait, we've got Johnny Lockett here. Johnny Lockett, give us a rev. Johnny Lockett. Oh, absolutely epic. Number plate's pretty sick. See you. Chat shit, get gassed.
Love it.
That's a beautiful car. Chat shit, get gassed.
Sammy loves it.
And it's an FB as well.
Oh my god, it's an SV. Watch out. Get the cloth out for Sammy.
Let's walk signs. Is this where you
Clean up on R7. That's clean. Oh, hello. Wrong way. It's just like next level, isn't it?
That is mental.
That's an exhaust. Oh wow. I've never seen one of them.
Yeah. It's a shot. Could be one. Look, could be yours, Mike. Not literally this one.
Is this so we can hit
Please don't. Come on, Mike, you got to get one of these.
You've got to get it, Mike.
Go follow Has, Supra. That weren't me. Oh, look at the tips. I'm going to have to take a seat.
Nice GR.
You want one? Come on, you got to get one.
When you look at this, you think, oh yeah, I actually want to get one. Yeah, what's actually going on?
Mike's got to get one, right? So nice. Oh, what a pair. What a pairing. Voila. Oh, look at this. I'm into this. I'm into this as well. So nice. Two JDM cars next to each other. Love it.
So here we are.
Here we go, another R8. SR_TPL3. And then Sean Cornish 1. First R35 we've seen.
Yeah, isn't it?
How mad is this? Look at the size of the wing. It's absolutely crazy. Yellow _ Yatta above the pipes, man. That looks good. It's like stages. It's like stage 1. Stage 2 is my GoPro. This dude's like stage 5. Stage 1 tune, stage 2, stage 5 over here. Absolutely crazy. Like, yeah, this is what we call. This is what we call gear.
Yeah, but it's a bitch to use, mate. Trust me, look how light that is.
Oh, mate, this is brilliant, though. Like, yeah,
Heavy as hell, man.
No, that's amazing, though. So nice.
Yeah.
nice, man.
Johnny Lockett! Johnny Lockett! Right, Johnny Lockett, get in, get in.
Right.
Good. Johnny Lockett! Alright, what's the car? An Audi. What horsepower? Can you give us a rev?
Brilliant. That's good, Fest. Pretty naughty,
That
isn't it?
is nice. Look at the little accents.
Very, very Oh.
Who's this one?
This is Kev's Evo. I did have an interview with him while we were in the queue. That Evo, that _Evo_7.
Yeah. That's nice. As if they put him next to this bow side. One of one.
He decided to go. That's not. No, that's no. One of the ones over that one, isn't it?
So this is a 350. That's a 370.
That's a 370.
Yeah, this big one, isn't it?
There's a 370 over there.
This is a 350, and that's a 370 over there.
Anyway.
He's got you.
Oh, look at this though.
Look at the rim and brake setup, bro. Come on. Come on.
Nearly walked into that. Definitely just nearly knocked myself out. That is nice. That Matt RS3.
Oh yeah, that's a
What's going on here? Vanity wraps? Oh, there we go. I can read it now.
vanity wrap.
Team Tic Tac is here. Look, you've even got it. Team Tic Tac. I'm into that. I don't feel bad for saying it.
Yeah.
Look at this. Lining them up.
So cool.
That's not. Look at the wing.
Wow.
Team Tic Tacs. I'm into it. Yeah, that's cool. Representing Team Tic Tacs. They're always at a show. Amazing. Nice to see them here. Only thing that's annoying me is the music, guys, because obviously copyright and blah blah blah, and also it's hard for me to talk over it, so I'm trying to get as much content as I can away from the music, but some people have, yeah, before the beat drops and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, trying to get as much good content as I can. Oh look, Sammy, is that yours? Is that yeah, I was gonna say, mate, what's your cars? Can go knock him out.
33.
Oh.
Guys, what would you trade?
What would you get rid of? So Sammy's thinking about getting rid of this. What would you get rid of it for?
It has to be like a daily.
It needs to be a daily. So it needs to be certain, you know, to a certain extent efficient on fuel. I think like a GT86, something like that. Sammy's like 23, so she wants to get something upgrade from this. So she probably what, like you know, Audi or Japanese, like a GT86. Let us know in the comments what you think Sammy should get rid of this for. GT86_80 about his GT86, and obviously Sammy's having a little chat about whether she thinks she might want one of these. I think she should get one of these, personally.
Yeah.
So yeah, 2-litre boxer engine. Tuning capabilities, you know, you're not going to go crazy with them, but I just think if you're into your Japanese cars, like Sammy would love one, they're brilliant. And I just find, you know, Japanese enthusiasts love it. Like, yeah, you know, you're not probably going to want to whack a turbo on. AD was saying, AD said, you know, you're probably just going to want to buy one with a turbo, buy a car that's got a turbo. But for these, you can do a lot of bolt-on stuff, make it look good, and just enjoy it for what it is, which is it's a sports car. So yeah, I think Sammy should get one of these. But let us know in the comments what you think Sammy should get.
But you did get yours in for like 3 seconds.
Oh, it's fire orange E92. Still not changed the Instagram. It's still not changed.
You could
it's
put
still
a little,
wrong. Yeah.
little gash in there.
Go get one of those pens and then just do it. Anyway, guys, this is obviously Adam's now got his new wing.
Yeah, I've missed it. I saw it just there. I was like, oh no.
But yeah.
I went with this thing.
And next to this
that is the most I'm even going to say about it. I had to confess
M440i. You can tell I'm not a Beamer person because I'm like, is it an M4? Yes, it is an M4. Yeah, next to Adam in his 330D. He's got his new wing. Let me know he's got his new wing, and like rear side spat things as well have gone on. Looking fresh. Yeah. Is this just gentleman's car? Oh, I thought you were going to tell him. Yeah, this is. I thought you were going to stand there and be like, this is mine. It's not yours. That's yours.
Everyone knows it. It's not how you stand by your car.
Race the car. Well, finally, we've got to get this in. Look at this, tucked away. Why is it tucked away?
No.
It's clean as well, isn't it? Look at that. Ah! Did you miss?
GTSE darts and
What
not
did you miss?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on, PT.
Oh,
Come on, Dom, you've got to try it.
shocking.
You're a PT, you've got to try it.
A PT, what's a PT?
Yeah, but
Naturally
like...
sporty. Yeah. Arthur.
Oh,
Cut.
sake. He's just that kind of guy, isn't he?
He's that guy, Eddie. He's that guy.
I like the fact that we're recording his phone.
Yeah.
This is the content that the people want.
People want to see.
You gotta give the people what they want. Just a rev off competition. I don't know how you're gonna find the winner out of that. If you can hear me, let us, just pop the doors open and let us have a little look. It's absolutely stunning. Really, really nice. Even got it signed. It's amazing. So guys, that is the end of the 4K show. It's been a great actually show, smaller show, Newmarket Racecourse, but absolutely amazing. People are starting to head out now, so yeah, we're just finishing up, looking at some of the supercars, chatting to some of the owners and stuff. Really good. But yeah, it's been an absolutely amazing show. Hope you like the content. There's been some really good stuff. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and obviously if you're subscribing, hit that notifications bell as well, because that is going to let you know when the next video drops. But until next time guys, peace out.